Now, how can you reduce the brightness of the Apple Watch? If you are new on the Foxtecc YouTube channel, make sure you are part of this by hitting the little red subscribe button and you're not going to miss anything important. So the Apple Watch can control the brightness to a degree. Obviously, the automatic brightness is turned on all the time, but there are like 3 levels which you can still go for. You can either go or change it through the iPhone's Watch app. If you go in there and go to the display and brightness section, there's the brightness slider, but you can only pick between the 3 options where you go for the lowest, middle, or max brightness. I mean, again, even if you have it at like the lowest point and you go to the direct sunlight, your Apple Watch is gonna recognize that it's gonna bump up the the brightness regardless. But at least for the regular average use case, it's gonna be a little lower if you keep it at the medium or low brightness. So you can do it like this, and it will at least be a little lower. Or again, you can do the very same thing, but from the iPhone now, where you open up the settings and find the display and brightness as well, and use the controller there too. But that's basically it. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the future tutorials.